Okay, here you can see my refrigerator. This is the water part here, but what I'm concerned about is this drip tray and how yellowed it is. So I tried to look online to find a replacement for this. I could only find this insert for the whole tray, and so I don't think they make them anymore. And I saw something where someone said you could actually, so I think, you know, just the natural light has yellowed this plastic. So I saw online where you can put this hair developer, I guess it's called, on there and set it in the sun, and supposedly it's supposed to bleach it white. So I'm going to see if that actually works or not. Alright, so I have this developer oxidant revelador, whatever, I don't know. Oreo cream 40. Anyway, I looked online. 40 means it's the strongest one. I think it comes in 10, 20, and 30, and 40. So dump some in here. I have a Ziploc bag. Old crummy paintbrush. Give it a good coating here. I'm going to hit all sides of it. A little wet there actually. Doing his job, I guess, as a drip tray. Coating it real good. Now the underside doesn't really matter, that won't be seen, but the front side does. Okay, so I got it coated really good there. I'm putting it in a Ziploc bag so it will stay moist hopefully. I'm going to give it a little extra in here. And zip it up. Now I'm going to go sit this out in the sun here. So I have a place here. I'm going to set it down, let it sit in the sun here for maybe an hour or two. We'll see what happens and take a look at it then. Alright, so here's an update. This has been an hour and a half sitting out in the sun here, and it does seem lighter. I think it still has a little bit of yellowing to it, so I think I'm going to let it go for another few hours maybe if I can, if the sun stays up. I don't know if I should give it another coat or not, but I think I'm going to leave it like this for now. So I decided to leave it in the bag overnight. Obviously not in the sun, but it does look like it's lighter, and there was a little yellow tint to it, so I decided to leave it in the bag. But then I was noticing that my fridge, some of the other plastic was a little yellowed around that too, so maybe I'm going to rinse it off, put it in place, and see how it looks. Get a little soap on it here. Rinse it off. Well, that's definitely a lot closer, and actually I think the fading of the drip tray is the same as this, because this has been faded just a little bit too compared to the white that's on the door itself. So I guess it's not like sparkling white, but it's pretty close. It's much better than it was. So let me try. I'll try to do a side by side maybe. But anyway, it looks like I'd give it like a pretty 85% effective sort of thing. It did lighten it up quite a bit, so it doesn't look too bad actually. It looks a lot better than it did. And since I couldn't get the part online, a new one, which might have been actually lighter than this whole thing, so this might be the better way to go. There's a little small crack in here, but I don't know what I'm going to do about that. I don't know if there is really any need to do anything about it. So appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.